Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a review and unboxing of the Essence advent calendar for this year. So I got my hands on this I think about a month ago, and I have been dying to open this up, and I thought you guys would be interested in seeing what is in it as well. It is a very affordable advent calendar. Let me look up how much I paid for it. I paid 33 euros and 95 cents for it. So it is a really affordable advent calendar. As you guys know, I love Essence, and I got their advent calendar last year. I didn't film a video on it, but I got it last year and I was really happy with the products that were in it. So I decided to get my hands on it really early and film a video for you guys. So if you're interested in knowing what is in this year's advent calendar, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so I am going to open it up. It does have everything that is in it on the back. I try not to look at it, but I did look at it. By now I did forget what was in it, so that is good. It comes packaged with a plastic, so let me just get that off. I do find it a little bit weird that it has the products on it, because when you get an advent calendar you want to be surprised. On the other hand, you do know what is in it, so you know what you are paying for. But personally, I would have loved if I didn't see what is in it and it was a total surprise. But as I mentioned, it was a while since I looked at it and I already forgot what was in it. I have the memory of a fish, so love that for me. But the design and the packaging of this advent calendar is absolutely gorgeous. It has a gold foil, and then it opens up like this, and like this. Last year's just opened up one time, I think. So here we have a couple of different pages of a book, it looks like. And again, the design is just absolutely gorgeous. So let's stop rambling and start off with day one. There are 24 slots in this, of course. So we have day one right here. Let's see. I am really bad at opening these up very nicely, so I will rip into this. Alright, first thing we have in here is... let me get some tweezers. Alright, first thing we have in here is the eyeshadow and brow highlighter. That is what that looks like. It doesn't have a shade name. Looks like a beautiful shade. Let's go ahead and give it a little swatch. Feels very soft. And this is what it looks like swatched. Yeah, that looks beautiful. That actually looks really nice, so we're off to a good start. Let's open up day two. And for day two, we have a semi-matte lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. The details on this are beautiful. This is in the shade. So these don't really have shade names. Smells a bit berry-like. This is what it looks like up close. And again, let's give it a little swatch. That is a pretty color. Actually, let me apply that on my lips. This is the color on me. I do think it looks really pretty, actually. It does feel like a semi-matte finish. I like that. That looks really pretty. It also feels very nourishing. So again, very happy with that. Let's move on to day number three. Day number three is right here. And for day number three, we have... oh, I didn't notice this, but all of these slots have a little quote on them. So this one says, soulmates, people that coincidentally wear the same nail polish. Oh, okay. So what was on day one? Christmas sparkle, synonym for my new eyeshadow. And day number two was Christmas dinner, the perfect occasion to show my new lipstick. That is really fun. But day three was a nail polish. I do have gel on my nails, so I can't really show you guys what it looks like, but it looks like a beautiful color. It is a mini matte nail polish. Again, really pretty design. All of these items have the same design on them, which I think is a really beautiful touch. Now, let's move on to day number four. This is a bigger slot. I'm guessing it's either a mascara or a brush. I think it's a brush. It comes packaged in this beautiful little paper and it says a Christmas eyeshadow shader brush. So it has a beautiful ombre design and it looks like a flat shader brush. Essence has some really great makeup brushes, so I will be using this. That always comes in handy. Let's move on to day number 5. Day number 5 is a brow fixing gel. Again, such beautiful packaging. It is a transparent brow fixing gel. Ooh, that is such a beautiful touch. The actual applicator is like a pinkish red, which is so beautiful. But this is just a clear eyebrow gel. Essence again makes great eyebrow gels. I have loved a couple of them in the past, so I'm sure I will love that too. Let's move on to day number 6. Day number 6 is a face perfecting powder. It says transparent with fine shimmer particles for a healthy glow. It has a beautiful like embossed design on it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but that is really pretty. I'll give that a swatch, but I don't think you guys will be able to see that. Yeah, no. It does have a subtle sparkle to it. So again, excited to try this out. Moving on to day number 7. Day number 7 is in the middle right here. And for day number 7, we have nail art stickers. Again, I don't really use these, but I will give them to my nail artist. I think she might create something with these. But if you are into nail art, these are Christmas inspired nail art stickers. Very adorable. Day number 8 is right here. Again, a very long one. Might be a mascara, a lip liner, an eyeliner. And it's a transparent lip liner. Again, love the design, but a transparent lip liner to define the lips and prevent color from feathering. I mean, again, you guys won't be able to see. It feels like a lip balm, to be honest. But I guess if you use it to contour your lips and add a color on top, it won't bleed as easily, is what I'm guessing. Sorry for the weird lighting. The sun is coming through. And also, don't mind the bags underneath my eyes. I couldn't sleep last night. I also have a 7-month-old baby at home, so sleep is not really something we get here much. But moving on to day number 9. Where are you? Day number 9 right here. Ooh, I love these. This is a Caring Shimmer Lip Gloss. It looks like they're like... it's not the juicy tubes. What are they called? They're juicy bombs. It looks like they're juicy bombs. I'm guessing it's the same thing. Again, it has a beautiful design. Let's give it a little swatch. It has a subtle like orangey tint to it. It smells a little bit orangey too. I'm going to apply this one as well. That feels great on the lips. It just feels like a classic lip gloss, to be honest, but I love a good lip gloss, so that is what that looks like. Also very pretty. Then we're on to day 10. Let's see what we have. Day 10 is again nail art stickers, I think. Yeah, face and nail pearls. So I don't think you guys, oh yeah, you can see that. So these are just pearl stickers that you can use on your face and your nails. I think this is really adorable. Moving on to day number 11. This is again a bigger one. We have another brush. This is the Christmas Brow and Lash Spoolie brush. Again, comes in a beautiful paper bag. And this is what the brush looks like. So it's just a classic spoolie brush. These always come in very handy. I use those a lot. Moving on to day 12. Where are you? Here you are. I'm guessing it is a nail polish. Judging by the size of it, yes. This is a mini shiny nail polish. Is this black or is this like a burgundy? Oh yeah, it's like a dark burgundy shade. That is what that looks like. Moving on to day 13. This looks like a bigger slot as well. And for day 13, we have the Hollow Face Mask Caring and Moisturizing Formula. So that's what the packaging of that looks like. Hello! There you go. Can't wait to give that a try. A face mask, again, always comes in handy. Day 14. Day 14 is right here. And for day 14, we have eyeliner stencils. Again, comes in a paper packaging. Oh, this is what these look like. You can just put them on your eyes and trace these. I don't really think I would use these often. I don't think a lot of people would, because these are some really weird shapes for eyeliner. So a bit disappointed in this. This is definitely something I wouldn't really use. And honestly, if I can be completely honest, I'm just going to throw this away. Day 15. Day 15 is a white Kajal eyeliner. Again, loving the packaging. And this is... it's not super pigmented. It's more of a sheer white. I don't know if it is focusing. But I do love a good white eye pencil. So moving on to day 16. Day 16 is this little slot. Ooh, we have a hair clip. A mini hair clip. That is actually really adorable. It feels very sturdy and high quality. It doesn't feel cheap. So very excited about this. Moving on to day 17. I'm hoping to get a blush or a highlighter at least in this advent calendar, and I'm guessing this will be one. It is a golden highlighter. So this is what the packaging looks like, and then this is the actual highlighter. It has a beautiful like honeycomb embossing in it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that is a very beautiful yet subtle highlighter. I think I will enjoy that a lot. By the way, I forgot to mention, but this entire advent calendar is vegan, as you can see right here, which I absolutely love. I don't know how they do that for the price point, but A+ for that. Moving on to day 18. 18 is in the middle right here. For day 18, we have a heart-shaped nail file that is glittery. Absolutely adorable. I've never seen a nail file that is shaped like this. Last year, they also had a nail file in the advent calendar, but it was just a regularly shaped one. But this is adorable. It's also glittery. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's beautiful. Moving on to day 19. I hope I didn't skip a day. I will check afterwards if everything is empty. For day 19, we have a shimmer lip balm. Again, beautiful packaging. And this is what that looks like. Again, a lip balm is something you can't really have enough of. So I love that this one is in here. It smells the same as this like juicy tube, and it feels very nourishing. You guys won't be able to tell because it's really sheer, but very happy with that. Moving on to day 20. We're almost there, you guys. Day 20 is right here. For day 20, we have another brush, I think. Yes, this is the Christmas eyeliner brush, which looks like this. It's just a classic eyeliner brush, but you can also use to fill in your eyebrows. That is what I'm going to use this for. Moving on to day 21, I'm guessing this is another nail polish. All of the nail polishes were right here, so it wasn't really that hard to guess. They all have the same shape. And for day 21, we have the mini matte nail top coat. Are matte nails making a comeback right now, or what is it? Because most of these are actually matte, and then we just have a top coat. Moving on to day 22. For day 22, we have a glitter eyebrow tweezer. I love a good tweezer, so very excited to see what it looks like. Oh, that is adorable. And also very small and precise, which is exactly what I love in a tweezer. Moving on to day 23, this is a large one. I'm guessing some sort of mask. Yes, this is the heart-shaped hydrogel eye patches. My boyfriend and I like to use under eye patches at least once a week, so this won't last us very long. And then we have the last one, which is day 24. Where is day 24? Day 24 is right here. And for day 24, we have a lip oil. I love lip oils, so very, very, very excited and happy with this. This is a lip oil with avocado and raspberry oil. Smells really good. Again, it has the same scent as the other lip products. Let's give it a little swatch. It has a subtle pink tint to it, but honestly, it looks more clear. You guys won't be able to tell, I think, but it just has a subtle pink shade to it. I'm going to quickly check if I didn't forget anything. I don't think so, but I'm very paranoid about that before throwing it away. But yeah, we opened everything. So that was everything that was in this year's advent calendar. Honestly, I do love a lot of these products. Some of these products I won't be really using, like the nail stuff, but that is because I have gel nails. And then those eyeliner patches, like stencils, I won't be using either. But aside from that, these are products that I will actually be using. Now, when it comes to the actual price value of this advent calendar, usually when you buy an advent calendar, you get a lot of value for your money. But in this case, I don't think you get that great of a value for your money. If I would calculate the value of all of the items that were in it, I'm sure it would be the price of the advent calendar, or maybe a little bit more, but not a lot. So if you want to get a great value for your money, I don't think this is the best advent calendar to get. However, I do think it is so beautiful, so I definitely don't hate it. I love the products, I just don't think it is the best value for your money. But yeah, that is it for today's unboxing of the Essence advent calendar. If there is another advent calendar that you want me to unbox, leave it down below in the comments. But yeah, that is it from me. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.